जय श्रीमन्नारायण. Aranyakanda. So what kind of weapons Ayudham Kincha Ramasya? What kind of weapons Rama is using? Please tell me all the details. Ravana asked Surpanakha. Then Surpanakha is saying to Ravana with so much of angry that, "Oh Ravana, Dasaratha's son is Rama. Dirghabahu, he has long shoulders. Visalakshaha, such a wide, beautiful eyes. Chira Krishnajina Ambaraha, he is wearing Naravastras and he is wearing Krishnajinam. O Ravana, even in that Naravastras, Kandarpa Samarupascha, he is looking like Manmadha. O Ravana, that Rama with his glowing bow, the bow is looking like Indradhanus, glowing like rainbow, and then he is setting all the arrows which are like big serpents, and then he is shooting all his arrows. It is like rain coming onto the army. O Ravana, we are unable to keep up with the speed that he is maintaining in picking up an arrow and fixing it in the bow and shooting. Nada danam seran ghoran, na munchantam silimukhan, na karmukam vikarshantam. And when he is shooting, we are unable to understand the speed that he is maintaining. In that kind of speed, he is showering his arrows like anything on the army. O Ravana, he is such great valor he has, and he is such a great soldier. Like that, Surpanakha explaining the qualities, personality of Rama to Ravana. Surpanakha saying to Ravana, "O Ravana, I could not keep up with the speed that Rama is maintaining in shooting arrows, but I have seen that as and how Devendra showers the rain, so also Rama showered his arrows on the entire Rakshasa army and killed all of them." O Ravana, just Rama by himself, he killed 14,000 demons who are very dreadful demons, and Kara Dushana. Not only that, Rama did not take more than Ardhadhika Muhurtena, just within Araghadiya, he killed entire army. O Ravana, on top of that, Rama gave an assurance to all the Maharshis, and now taking care of that entire Dandakaranyam, protecting the entire Dandakaranyam. O Ravana, Rama is such a great man and he has great qualities. Stri Vadham Senkamanena, that is why he did not kill me, but he insulted me and left me with the pranam. O Ravana, Rama has one brother, Lakshmano Nama Viryavan, his name is Lakshmana. He has so much of not only love but also devotion towards Rama. Lakshmana is also has so much of glow. He is a great soldier. He has so much valor and he has so many great qualities. Along with all that, Lakshmana is having a very big amount of anger. O Ravana, Ramasya Dakshino Bahuhu, Lakshmana is like a right hand to Rama. Nityam Prano Bahischaraha, Lakshmana is like always going around Rama, just like it is Rama's pranam. O Ravana, Rama has a Dharmapatni, wife, Visalakshi. Her eyes are wide and beautiful. Purnendu Sadrusanana. Her face is like full moon. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.